So you might be trying to figure out how you can cut/chop up videos on CapCut. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you have a video that you brought into CapCut and you want to go ahead and actually slice the video down. Maybe you want to cut out the beginning portion of a video and have only the ending portion, whatever you want to do. Now, doing this is actually very, very basic. So let's say for this example, right, I had a video and let's say I want to take out the beginning portion of this screen recording, right? I don't want this beginning part. I just want to go straight here. Now the way to do this is for one, to highlight the video that you want to go ahead and actually, cut. If you have multiple videos in your timeline, click on the one that you want to do and make sure you hovered over it. Now the very first option right down here is the little split option right there. So all you want to do here is go ahead and just click on that little split option and you will now see that this is now cut into two different parts. We have this like first part of the video, which is right there, and we have this like secondary part of the video. Now what we want to do next, let's say I want to go ahead and take this first portion out. I want to delete it. But what we can do here is we can go and click on that first portion of that video like this, and you will see a little delete button right there. All we have to do is go and click on the little delete button and watch what happens. That will basically go ahead and take out that first portion of the video off. So now we can go and scroll through here and see all this other stuff within our video. But let's say then we have this middle portion. I don't want that app being shown, let's say, right? But what we can do here is tap on the video, click split again, come to the point where we want to go ahead and take that portion of the video out, click split again, and then what we can do is go ahead and choose that specific portion of video we want to delete, go and click delete right there, and that is it. That is basically how you do it. Now whenever you're done, you can go and export this video out, you can edit this video more that you want to, but that is basically how you can cut/chop up videos within CapCut. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.